Welcome back to another video. Let's dive even deeper into the intricacies of this groundbreaking money-making opportunity. Stay tuned for how you can earn around $30 in just one day. This brand new money-making app will let you earn $1.20 for every ad you watch. Let's do the math. Watching 10 ads will make you $12. And if you have a lot of free time, you could even watch up to 100 ads and earn yourself $120. Are you interested? Buckle up and let me be your guide through this money-making method. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always updated on our new fortune guides. Feel free to share this video with friends and family that are interested in earning a passive income. As we embark on the journey of maximizing our passive income potential, SurfyDob emerges as a promising platform with a bunch of opportunities. In this comprehensive guide, we will go through all the details of SurfyDob, exploring advanced strategies to elevate your earnings and establish a robust passive income stream. Before you jump into the app, let's understand the basics. SurfyDob offers a minimum withdrawal of only 3 cents. And the best part? You can get your hands on that hard-earned cash in just 24 hours. No strings attached. Just pure, straightforward earnings. The beauty of SurfyDob lies in its simplicity. You don't need any specialized skills. Just register, install their extension, and let the earnings roll in. Whether you prefer using it on your computer or smartphone, SurfyDob adapts to your lifestyle, allowing you to make money from your PC, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Pretty convenient, right? Keep watching until the end, because later I'll reveal a bonus which will help maximize your earnings with SurfyDob. You wouldn't want to miss it. Now, how does it work, you ask? The SurfyDob extension effortlessly displays banner ads on the websites you visit. The best part? You get paid for every single ad that graces your screen. No clicking required. Just let the ads work their magic and watch the earnings flow in. To master SurfyDob, start by optimizing your browser for maximum efficiency. Consider using ad blockers and performance-enhancing extensions into your browser. This not only refines your overall web experience, but also streamlines the visibility and loading times of SurfyDob ads. SurfyDob compensates users for their time spent engaging with these ads, offering a straightforward and accessible way to generate passive income. Now, let's explore how to unlock enhanced earning potentials. Let me show you a sneak peek. With the extension already installed, as I navigate through YouTube or Google, you'll witness SurfyDob ads popping up, and boom, instant earnings. It's like having a personal money-making assistant. SurfyDob adjusts payouts based on geographical locations, which provides an opportunity for strategic task allocation. Research and understand the payout rates for different regions, allowing you to focus on tasks that offer higher rewards. This geographical optimization can significantly impact your overall earnings. Curious about earning proof? Scroll down with me, and you'll see real people making tangible money. Individuals cashing in $24 in a day, $31, the list goes on. It's a testament to SurfyDob's potential for substantial earnings. But hey, real quick before we get you started, if you're digging this video that I've poured my time and energy into, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and hit subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 500 likes, and if we hit that goal, I'll drop another video next week to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. If this is the first video you've seen from us, go ahead and check out our other content to find other fortune tips suitable for you. Now, are you ready to embark on your money-making journey? Start by typing SurfyDob in the search bar or visit SurfyDob/earn. Follow the simple registration process. Click sign up and create an account with a username, email, and password. Verify your email, log in, and declare yourself as a user. Once you first log in, a pop-up will appear. Go ahead and pick the option that says, I'm a user. Next up, they'll ask if you've ever dealt with similar websites. Give it a solid, yes, I have experience, and wrap it up by hitting that thank you button right there. Another pop-up will be displayed explaining all the ways you can earn money on their website. First option is simple. There will be available tasks for you, such as watching videos. You can watch these videos on their website without installing the extension. But you'll be able to earn more and complete more tasks if you install the extension. In the next option, it tells you that you can install their extension, which you can click the highlighted words and it'll lead you to the Chrome Web Store where you can download it. The third option introduces their app that you can download on your phone or tablet so you can complete tasks on the go. The fourth option is about their affiliate program, which we'll dive into later. And the last option is for those who have their own website. If you have your own website, you can allow SurfyDob ads to be displayed on your site and get rewarded for impressions and clicks. Alright, first things first, hit up the spot that says extension. From there, install the extension to Google Chrome or whichever browser suits your fancy. Just give it a click and it'll whisk you over to the Chrome Web Store. Check it out. It's already got a solid 100,000 users and around 1,300 ratings. To add the extension, click that Add to Chrome button and then click Add Extension. Bingo! It's installed. Quick note, this SurfyDob thing is kinda fresh. Not many folks know about it yet, so it's the perfect time to jump on the bandwagon before it gets too crowded. Once it's in, it's gonna toss ads your way on every site you hit up. And you can even shuffle them around with this icon. Need to close an ad? Hit that X icon. Piece of cake, right? As you earn, you can see in your earnings dashboard the progress you've made. Although you may think it's not that large of a fortune, it proves that it's consistent and legitimate. You'll be able to withdraw your funds easily with various payment methods offered by SurfyDob. Alright, so they're tossing out more cash for these gigs if you're in the US. But no stress if you're not. I got a nifty trick for you. Just pop VPN extension in the search bar, hit up the first result. This VPN is free and it hands you a slick American IP. Install it on your computer, hit Add, pick the USA, hit the switch, and bam, you're in the game. Easy peasy, right? Now here's the bonus I mentioned earlier. SurfyDob doesn't stop at just ad watching. Explore these additional features like earning by watching videos or visiting websites through the extension. SurfyDob's affiliate marketing scene is done by sharing straightforward content that resonates with your audience. You can craft stories that highlight the perks of joining SurfyDob through your referral link, showcase success stories, and position yourself as a trusted source of information in a simple and relatable manner. How to get started? Well, let me show you. Cruise over to Referrals, hit up Links and Stats, then dive into Promo Banners to snag your affiliate link. Check it out. You bag a sweet 5.25% commission from your affiliates' earnings. Want to spread the word? Toss that link on Facebook groups all about making money online. Oh, and if you've got your own website, head to Adverts, slap your site in where it says Banner Adverts, and watch that traffic roll in. Want to check if it's worth your time? Peep the positive reviews on the Chrome Web Store. See what folks are saying and decide for yourself. Remember to utilize social media platforms, forums, and relevant communities to amplify your affiliate marketing efforts. Engage with your audience, address inquiries, and foster a community around your referral network. As your network expands, so does your passive income. While ad watching is the core activity here, adopting advanced strategies can also significantly contribute to your overall earnings. You can seek out longer duration ads with higher payouts, which will optimize your time spent on the platform. Now I've got a tip for you. But first, a quick heads up. Not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free, and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Be one of the first in the know and stack that cash. So this good tip I can give you is creating playlists of high-paying ads to maintain a consistent flow of earnings. Automation becomes your partner in crime, which allows you to efficiently manage your passive income without constant manual intervention. SurfyDob serves as an important piece in your passive income puzzle. You can explore complementary income streams that align with your online activities. Content creators can leverage platforms like YouTube, seamlessly integrating SurfyDob content into their strategy. While SurfyDob won't make you a millionaire overnight, it's a free, worldwide money-making avenue that's worth exploring. Install the extension, watch ads, and let the earnings flow. Remember, you don't even have to click. Stay informed about SurfyDob updates by regularly checking the official website, community forums, or social media channels. This digital landscape is ever-evolving, and being among the first to adapt to new features, tasks, or earning opportunities ensures you stay ahead of the curve. This journey is not just about passive participation. It's about actively shaping your financial success. Adaptability, exploration, and continuous improvement are your allies in the dynamic world of online passive income. Continue to watch, engage, and evolve. Your success story with SurfyDob is a testament to your dedication to financial empowerment. Share your insights, contribute to the community, and pave the way for others seeking passive income mastery. Your financial journey with SurfyDob is an ongoing narrative. Watch, engage, evolve. Your passive income future awaits. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below about this money-making idea and catch us responding to what you have to say. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell to stay tuned for more money-making insights. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'll catch you in the next video, where we continue our quest for financial prosperity.